The last time I sent, now listen to this story. I sent a bunch of it up to Henderson Auction.
Okay, I know that's not fun.
I sent
big auction place.
Big auction place. I know they've not been buying them or equipment out of He said, you want me to ask what you need? I said, no, because I'm upset now. I don't want to be upset. So he's taking the second side.
That's where more came from with the Cypress. They flew all around the
See, that's what you call off. I got to say, that's what you call it. You know, that's the truck you'll have extra. You couldn't post it sometimes.
And you call that off?
I call it off-fall.
It's just like waste.
Off-fall.
Like waste products, yeah, like waste. This is a name of waste.
Something that falls off. One of the awful.
Mr. Wayne, where do you get your logs? Do you have different sellers?
No, I got one guy. His name's John Wayne. I got with him. And mostly, you know, like anything else, when you start with somebody, they don't want to see you. If I call him and I need a little, which Josh was doing all now, I mean, he can be able to do what he wants. But John Wayne, if I call him, I say, look, man, I got a man that wants some hardwood, some wood. Well, you'll send it to him. You know.
Hey, Josh. Hey, man. Larry Roussel. Nice to meet you, Josh. That's off your log that you just cut?
Yes, sir. Rolled it off. One of them knees was a little too high and rolled it off the saw.
Man, what they cut that with the way that's cut like that? That's those machines that cut
a skidder that's got a shear at the bottom. Got a bunch of arms that grab it and just shear it at the bottom.
That's where they'll hold that tree up and shear and then let it down.
And lay it down.
Well, you know on YouTube you see the ones that cut all the branches off.
So Joshua, how do you cut these when you put them on your saw, on your mill? Do you start by taking off the ends? Is that how you work?
Well, just whatever length it is, but you gotta put the scale in first. Your small end goes first, towards where you gotta see your scale in. And then just whatever it is. I mean, you gotta, if you want a 12 by 12, you need at least 18 inches on your scale in for your square that big. You want to at least allow 6 inches. If you go whatever you want, you need 6 inches more.
Okay.
All the way around.
So like for our lumber, you pretty much gonna be sawing the whole log. Like what you gonna be taking
whatever length y'all whatever length y'all have, whatever y'all wanted.
So
you know, I'll cut the log to length.
7/8 all the way.
And then I'll cut it, make sandwich bread out of it. Just sit there and cut it all into pieces. You can't put it in between. You have to have, once you get it squared, once you got a square corner, you got little ears on every one of them balls. Once you got a square, you can put a 2-foot log up there and cut it up. Once you got it square. But you got to get it there. Now, that's the shortest. Now there's another fence here, but we ain't used that thing in years. There's only one turn that's in between the two logs, the two fences right there.
Okay.
Now I could put another one here, but it'd be defeating the purpose. You know, I don't want it all because I mean that thing throws a lot of water and.
So that track goes right across your stand.
It'll go all the way to
all the way to the end.
All the way to the end.
24 feet at one side.
That's your max.
That's your big.
That's the max. That's the most I can do. I mean, I think I could probably stretch it a little bit longer than that, but 24 feet is pretty much my max. I wouldn't really attempt to cut my saw, especially cutting beams. I mean, I can roll them to a certain extent, but then once you get your square corners and you get it close to size, you got to roll that by hand, because that turn will tear the corners off of it. And then people don't want that, particularly when it comes to the post.
That's your biggest demand is beams? Is what you cut primarily? Beams and posts?
That's all I cut. I don't have a website.
If you take a website, you're going to be in trouble because you're going to have more than you want.
I ain't going to be able to keep up.
I know.
But hey, I'd love to get to that point where I build another shed right here, right there, and put another one of these under it.
Somebody else, and people working with.
Yeah. I'd love to.
Hey, it'll come.
So that demand is great for the beams and posts.
Actually,
any size in particular, or does it matter?
Mainly 8x8s and 10x10s. Every once in a while you get 12x12s, but it's very seldom somebody order 12 by 12. That's a big post.
And what length? Does it,
Anywhere from, now your post, man, they go anywhere from 8 foot to 12 foot.
8 to 12?
You know, anything above that is considered a beam. Now, I mean, I've cut them up to 8 by 16, 22 feet long. How they stood that thing up or put it up, I have no idea. But it was hell to roll it on this saw. It was heavy.
But that's what I was telling your dad. That reel is getting popular right now with the young kids are putting a lot of beams in their house. It's full of beams.
Yeah, that's what
I really come back.
Take a tree.